Right, we've got to express 9x squared minus 16 over 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 times 2 over x minus 2 minus 3 over 3x minus 4 as a single fraction in its simplest form. Now, at first look, it looks quite complicated. However, if you apply this technique, try to factorize as much as possible, it might help you. So writing out our expression. Now, you might have noticed here, what we've got here is the difference of two squares, a squared minus b squared, and we know that factorizes down to a plus b, a minus b. So this becomes 3x minus 4, or 3x plus 4, times 3x minus 4. Right, to do this one here, we'll need to do product. Product will be 3 times 2, which is 6. Sum is minus 5. We want two numbers. When we multiply them, we get 6, and we sum them, we get minus 5. So the answer is minus 3 minus 2. You can write these round any way, but it's easier if you write the lower one first. You take the expression, write down 3x squared, write down minus 3x minus 2x plus 2. We group the first two terms together, and we get 3x brackets x minus 1. We group these two terms together, and we get minus 2 brackets x minus 1. Don't forget to change the sign. If we do this properly, here and here, you will always get the same thing. That now comes out as a common factor, and you're left with 3x minus 2. Okay. So my expression now becomes, this bit now becomes 3x plus 4, 3x minus 4. This bit now becomes x minus 1, 3x minus 4. Now you might have found there's a 3x minus 4 here and a 3x minus 4 here. Eventually we'll be able to cancel, but not yet. Right, so if we now need a common denominator for this to do the subtraction. So the common denominator should be that 1 times that. So it's x minus 3, 3x minus 4. We now multiply, this 2 has been multiplied by, it needs to be multiplied by 3x minus 4. And this 3 needs to be multiplied by x minus 2, if you think carefully how you subtract fractions. Right. Also important not to try to do too much in one go, so just writing that out again so that we can see and we can work with it. Right. We will see now, because we've got multiplication, that will cancel with that. So we're now left with a common denominator of x minus 1, 3x minus 2, and x minus 2. And then here we got 3x plus 4, and we now got to work out this numerator here. So we've got 2 times 3x, which is 6x, 2 times 4, which is minus 8, minus 3x, plus 6. Now this is plus here can cause a lot of problems if you get it wrong, so this is why I've written it in red, okay? A minus times a minus will make a plus. Be very, very careful of that. Right, collecting together the like terms, we're going to have here 6x minus 3x, which gives me 3x, minus 6 plus 6, minus 8 plus 6, sorry, gives me minus 2. Now we see we have a 3x minus 2 here and a 3x minus 2 here. So they cancel out, and we're left with a final answer of 3x plus 4, which no longer needs to be in brackets, because it's not being multiplied by anything, divided by x minus 1 times x minus 2. Alright, so the secret is to factorize out and then eventually try to cancel. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to write an algebraic fraction as a single fraction. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.